So things have gotten off to kind of a quiet start for the morning so far, and that's fine. We're actually seeing a lot of consistency for Shiba Inu, which is a great sign here. Do need to actually talk about a launch that took place this morning that dropped SHIB down one slot. I want to discuss how this might actually impact the day. It's kind of a big nothing burger for SHIB, but we need to watch this closely. Do also want to talk about something else that is remaining consistent for Shiba Inu, and it's looking like very, very soon this will in fact break. So if you guys are new or haven't already, show your support for the channel down below. Hit that subscribe button, that bell. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So right now, it's about 8, 10 a.m. Central Standard Time. And we can see that, again, this is a lower volume day, $149 billion in trading volume over the last 24 hours. Today is a holiday, for those that aren't familiar. So we don't have markets open. Things may be kind of quieter overall, but right now, this is what a lot of people are in fact focusing on. It's World Liberty Financial Token. And we can see that right down here, all the way in the 23rd spot. This is in fact currently higher than Shiba Inu. This forced Shiba Inu down one slot because, guys, this launched at, an $8+ billion market cap. So it kind of is what it is. No real control over that, but this is what everybody's going to be paying attention to. My dog just came in. This is what everybody is going to be paying attention to and watching as the day progresses. And really what we're trying to make sure of is that this isn't a Trump Melania meme coin type deal where it sucks a lot of liquidity from the market, where it causes a lot of red in the charts. So we just have to watch and wait and see. I think because this is such a high market cap already, it's not going to act the same way. And we are in fact seeing some people that bought early on do some selling to begin the day. In fact, right now we've actually seen World Liberty Financial Token liquidations flip BTC liquidations, and again, this is on the short side. So that's kind of where we're at right now. Now that being said, SHIB has done some interesting things on today's daily candle. It's tested the bottom of this inner trend here, of this longer term trend. It actually tested our 20-day moving average again. It got rejected there, and it's looking like SHIB is testing this at a very regular consistency. And at some point, this is in fact going to break open. I'm not saying it's going to be today. I'm not saying it's going to be tomorrow. It could frankly be at any point. This is a very, very long descending wedge, guys. I mean, theoretically, this wedge could play out all the way until October. I hope that's not the case, but that's the direction of this curly. I would think that we would get a bounce kind of around this longer term trend if we do get down here. It's possible we could even go sideways out until, somewhere here before making a move. I'm not saying that's going to happen either, because it's going to depend on the overall crypto market. It's going to depend on, what type of conviction we still see. We're seeing good conviction for SHIB, which is a great sign. Holders are still climbing, yada, yada, all the same stuff we talk about time and time again. Exchange supply staying very consistent, no real decisive move one way or the other since all the way back in the early part of June. So love to see that sort of consistency. Now, what I will say here for Shiba Inu is that we have seen more shorts close positions. So this is a very recurring theme around the crypto market. If we look at this right now, open interest has dropped 4.44% over the last 24 hours. The long short ratio has actually risen. So they're now almost 13% imbalance to the long side in terms of Shiba Inu. So you're seeing shorts kind of get out of the way here, and that could be good. But at the same time, just understand that depending on how tight these positions are to price, you could see liquidations to the downside. It's not the first time we've seen that take place if we do go that route. But I like what I'm seeing from the overall market structure in general. BTC right now keeps testing the bottom of this trend. It's actually inside this big bull flag that it was building, which is a great sign. Ethereum had a nice bounce back above $4,400 at the time I filmed this video, back above that 20-day moving average. I mean, we're seeing a lot of things that we need to see in the crypto market to get that confidence to flow back in. I want to remind everyone that we've fallen down to this point of the fearful range and the fear greed index, and we're trying to, again, just get a little bit of boost, a little bit of a push in confidence. So we'll see what happens today. Again, I'm not expecting a crazy amount. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe the switch flips and we start to get, some liquidations one way or the other. But I think today's might be pretty quiet, but then the week is going to get louder as it progresses, and we obviously get into the back half of it. So I appreciate you guys as always. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below, but have a great day. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care.